Welcome back to Kelly Tech. Alright, so we cleaned up and put back together the PS2. We put a hard drive and put hard drive boot on the PS2. And the thing is running great. But my OCD won't let it be. So I'm going to try and fix the laser. So what I've done, stupidly, because I don't even need it, is I bought a little laser. So this is supposed to be the correct one. I'm hoping, you know. It says Sony on the lens, the laser here. But I highly doubt that that's made by Sony. I don't know. I just having a hard time believing it. This is the KHS 400C. So the best way to do this would be to get this drive out. All right, so I got my homemade cord here. All right. See if we got a light. We got a light. Let's pop it open. All right. Now we can go ahead and unplug it. First, let's get this little screw out here. T4. T4 is close. T5. T5 is too big. So, T4 it is. All right, so we're going to want to take this out, this little bitty screw here. And we're just going to transplant it. What's that? We're just going to transplant it right into here. So I go until it bottoms out, and then I do a full turn. All right. Now we have to take out one of these bars. All right, we'll pull out our little plastic feller here. See if he can help with the job. Let's see. Okay. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing here. Try not to make too much fun. All right, so got that out. We should be able to just take this bar out of here. And there it is. And we could just slide, yeah, there we go, out of that one. All right. Now, it looks like someone has tried and put this in here. This is a KHS 400C right here. Makes you wonder, huh? Anyways, We're going to go ahead and pull this out. Maybe clean that up. It looks pretty dirty. Alright. Okay, it has this odd little device here that we're going to need to keep. But let's go ahead and get this cord out of the way. You got to press down on both at the same time. There's like these little edges here. Oh no. This thing is destroyed, I swear. But yeah, this comes down. There we go. But you got to take this piece off to put on the new one. Let's see. 0, 0. Let's see. That looks about right. Alright. So we're just going to transplant this just like we did with the other piece. Let's get this out of the way. And here's the new one. Be gentle with this one, because it's brand new. Alright, so we're just going to put this right back in here. Oopsie. There we go. So, alright. So now she is on there. We've got the bottom piece replaced from the old laser, the top screw from the old laser. Okay, so the old laser is out. Alright, it's got some grease on it. I'm going to try to spread it around real good and not leave access, if you get my drift. Let's see if we can't get this in here. I think I'm going to try and put the cable in first. Let's pull down on the tabs here. You can see that, but I just pulled down on that. And we'll put this cable in here. There we go. Okay, got her in there. All right, beautiful, nice and straight. That's exactly what we're looking for. And there is a trace on here that needs to be taken care of. It's just a little glob of solder, and I mean it's little too. I'm gonna try to get it to you so you can see. It is this little glob. Let's see if I even got you in. Okay, right there. This little glob right there. See it? There's like a glob of solder right there. You got to remove it. If you don't, it won't work. So we got to get the soldering iron hot and we got to take that off. All right, here we go, guys. Got my soldering iron ready. Nice. I got a little piece of it. Okay. And I think job well done. So I'm going to clean off my... Wow, that was way easier than I thought it was going to be. Alright guys, it looks really good. I took that glob off. Let's see if you can see it. But now it's 3 traces. Nice. That actually couldn't have went better. Alright, so let's put her back together. Alright, let's put our bar back in. Let's have an odd... Oh yeah. I think we got a winner here. Alright. How did these go? These were weird. This is weird. Alright. Alright guys, I think I got it in place. Ooh, that's smooth compared to what I was dealing with. Shoot. A little bit of good, little bit of slip. Oh yeah. I think we got her. Alright. Well, that's it. Let's put it back together and see what happens. Alright, let's put these on here. And I wish I had the correct screws for the top of this. That would be real nice. I even dug through my laptop screws and I still couldn't find nothing to fit these. It's a very strange, odd size. But I got one. Alright, we're just gonna push this on here. Just like so. And there we go. Alright. Let's pop some screws back in her and see what she does. Looks like. Oh. Think it's gonna work, guys? I don't know. There's a firmware you can actually put onto the lens itself or something like that, and it makes it more compatible. So it could be possible that I have to do that. Hope not. Get wore out putting these screws in here. Whew. All right, screws in. Right. You don't want to tighten them too much because they will strip out on you. Alright, so this very well could be the last upgrade. Let's take it over to the TV and see what she does. Alright, so we're back at the TV. And oh, I sure hope this works. Okay, so it's booted up, drive's open. Oh boy. Let's see. We're going to do a PlayStation 1 game first. Oh. What if it didn't read? Oh, that'd be horrible. Alright. Alright, Final Fantasy's going in. So we'll check and see if it can play PlayStation 1. Oh yeah, it picked up quick. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Well, it's faster than the old laser, even after I adjusted it. Nope, square soft. Yep, looks like it's gonna work. Cool. That's great. So it's picking up PlayStation 1 games. That's wonderful. Alright, so let's try a DVD. Takes a while for this thing to boot up. Alright, so I'm going to enter Exit Wounds DVD. See if it plays. If it does start to play, I'm going to pull it out fast because I don't want to get in trouble for copyright purposes. I don't think I've ever actually played a DVD on a PS2. Oh, wow. Okay. Looks like it's having a really rough time. I think it's just the menu, though. I believe it is. I can't hit play menu because I'm just going to have to block it all out. It's working. So I'm going to power this off. Restart. And now let's try a PlayStation 2 game. So I have RTX Red Rock PlayStation 2. Never played it. All right, I'm going to enter the CD for RTX Red Rock. I'm nervous. Hope it works. Ooh, that picked up pretty good. It wasn't fast, but let's see if it plays it. Oh, snap. Is it really gonna play? Oh, That's just phenomenal, guys. It's asking me for a memory card. Yeah, this is good enough for me. I'm very happy. It's playing DVDs, PlayStation 2, PlayStation 1. Very happy. That was a simple laser install. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you did, come back again. And as always, have a tech day.